In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online, a comprehensive tutorial to get you started on managing your finances more effectively. We'll begin by heading over to the QuickBooks Philippines website. If you're completely new to QuickBooks, this is where you'll want to sign up and create your account. On the landing page, look for the Sign Up option. A simple registration will open up a new world of streamlined accounting for your business. For those of you who already have an account, go ahead and click on the Sign In option for QuickBooks Online. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be directed to the account login page. Here, you'll enter your credentials to access your QuickBooks environment. Don't forget to check the I'm not a robot box to pass the security check. After this, click on Continue to move to the next stage. You'll then be asked to enter your password. Do this and again hit Continue. Selecting your company file is the subsequent step once you're signed in. Choose the appropriate file to work within your existing company setup. This brings you to the QuickBooks Online dashboard, a hub of tools and features for managing your finances. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find the navigation menu with labels such as Dashboard, Banking, Sales, Expenses, Payroll, Reports, Taxes, and Accounting. The main screen offers a snapshot view of your cash flow, invoices, and expenses to monitor your financial health easily. Once you've settled, shift your attention towards the Reports section. Here, clicking Reports will let you generate essential documents like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. Filters are your best friends here for customizing date ranges and sorting through categories, making data analytics and reporting much easier. Maximize QuickBooks efficiency by connecting your bank accounts. Click on Accounting, then link your bank. Choose your financial institution and log in. Once connected, QuickBooks takes care of the heavy lifting by importing your transactions automatically. Managing invoices and sales is just as straightforward. To create a new invoice, click plus new followed by invoice. Here you can tailor invoice templates with your logo and adjust payment terms. Track the status of each invoice to stay organized with your accounts receivable. Not forgetting expenses, navigate to expenses, then vendors, and click New Bill to record transactions. QuickBooks also allows you to directly pay bills or mark them as paid, keeping your vendor accounts in check. For those dealing in sales taxes, head to the Taxes section, followed by Sales Tax to configure your settings. Once enabled, QuickBooks automatically calculates sales tax on your invoices, taking another task off your hands. Lastly, make it a routine to reconcile your accounts monthly. Under Accounting, select Reconcile to match your bank statements with records, ensuring your books remain accurate and up-to-date for financial reporting and tax submissions. And there you have it, a full-circle introduction to using QuickBooks Online for enhanced financial management. Enjoy the ease that comes with updated, efficient bookkeeping.